Now let's find equation of pair of angle bisectors of pair of straight lines whose combined equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. We have here equation of pair of straight lines passing through origin. Okay. Suppose equations of component lines are y is equal to m1x and y is equal to m2x. Okay. So we have relations. We have done this earlier. M1 plus M2 is equal to minus 2h upon b, and M1 M2 is equal to a upon b. Okay. Now we know how to get equations of angle bisectors. We have standard format. क्या होता है equation? We have lines m1x minus y is equal to 0 and m2x minus y is equal to 0. Equations of angle bisectors are given by this equation: m1x minus y upon root m1 square plus 1 is equal to plus minus m2x minus y upon root m2 square plus 1. ठीक है ना? Now we want combined equation of angle bisectors. So what we do? We multiply these two equations. We take all the terms on one side and multiply the equations. Okay, so we have equation of pair of angle bisectors as m1x minus y upon root m1 square plus 1 minus m2x minus y upon root m2 square plus 1 multiply by m1x minus y upon root m1 square plus 1 plus m2x minus y upon root m2 square plus 1. Okay, this is equal to 0. Equation of pair of angle bisectors. Okay, let's simplify. We have here factors p minus q, p plus q. Okay, so expansion will be p square minus q square. We have m1x minus y whole square upon m1 square plus 1 minus m2x minus y whole square upon m2 square plus 1. This is equal to 0. Okay, we simplify further. We take LCM. Okay, and we use these relations: m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h upon b and m1 m2 is equal to a upon b. Finally we get equation of pair of angle bisectors as x square minus y square upon a minus b is equal to xy upon h. This is equation of pair of angle bisectors for this pair of straight lines. ठीक है, इसको आप याद रखें. This is one of the standard results. Let's have some questions based on this equation. We have this question: show that pairs of straight lines, we have two pairs of straight lines, 2x square plus 6xy plus y square is equal to 0 and 4x square plus 18xy plus y square is equal to 0, have the same set of angle bisectors. Now for this equation of pair of straight lines, this is a equation of pair of angle bisectors. Okay, so for this equation of pair of straight lines, equation of pair of angle bisectors will be x square minus y square upon, here a is 2, b is 1, so we have here 2 minus 1. This is equal to xy upon h. Here value of h is 3. What is h? Coefficient of xy divided by 2. 2h is equal to 6, so h is 3. So we have here xy upon 3. So we have equation 3x square minus 3y square is equal to xy. Equation of pair of angle bisectors for this pair of straight lines. Okay, and for this pair of straight lines, equation of pair of angle bisectors will be x square minus y square upon 4 minus 1, a is 4, b is 1, equal to xy upon h. Value of h is 9. Okay, this is 3. 3 gets cancelled out, so we have here 3. So we get same equation. Okay, तो ये प्रूव हो गया कि ये दो पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइंस के सेम एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स होंगे. Let's take next question then. Now look at this question. if the pair of straight lines x square minus 2pxy minus y square is equal to 0 and x square minus 2qxy minus y square is equal to 0 are such that each pair bisects the angle between the other pair, then prove that pq is equal to minus 1. समझ में आया क्वेश्चन क्या है? This is a pair of angle bisectors for this pair of straight lines, okay, and this is pair of angle bisectors for this pair of straight lines. Now angle bisectors are always perpendicular. दो गिवन लाइंस के एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स हमेशा परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं ना, तो आप यहाँ पे चेक करें गिवन पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइंस परपेंडिकुलर है, ऐसा होना भी चाहिए बिकॉज ईच पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइंस इज पेयर ऑफ एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स ऑफ other pair of straight lines. Here sum of coefficients of x square and y square is 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Here also sum of coefficients of x square and y square is 0. Okay, now we have to prove that pq is equal to minus 1. हमें ये prove करना है. Simple है. What we do? We pick this pair of straight lines. We find the equation of pair of angle bisectors and then compare that equation with this given equation. हम इस पेयर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइंस के एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स का इक्वेशन निकालेंगे और फिर उस इक्वेशन को इस इक्वेशन के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे. क्या होगा इसका पेयर ऑफ एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स का इक्वेशन? यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मेट वी हैव एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 माइनस माइनस 1. a is 1, b is minus 1. This is equal to xy upon h. 2h is equal to minus 2p, so h is equal to minus p. Okay, so we have equation px square minus py square plus 2xy is equal to 0. Now we compare these two equations. These two equations represent same pair of straight lines. ठीक है, तो हम इक्वेशंस को कंपेयर करेंगे. फॉर दैट वी कंपेयर द रेशियो ऑफ कोफिशिएंट्स. वी फाइंड 1 अपॉन p is equal to minus 2q upon 2. This is equal to minus 1 upon minus p. So we have basically minus q is equal to 1 upon p. From this we get pq is equal to minus 1. ठीक है ना? Now we have one very interesting concept in this chapter. The name of the concept is homogenization. Sounds like we are doing chemistry. We have polymerization, isomerization. Here we have homogenization. Let's see what is this process or method. Consider this curve on the coordinate plane. Suppose this curve represents one of the conic sections, either pair of straight lines or circle or parabola or ellipse or hyperbola. Suppose equation of this conic section is this. We have standard second degree equation in two variables x and y. Okay. Now consider this straight line intersecting this conic section at 2 points A and B. Equation of line is Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. Okay. Now what we do? we join points A and B with the origin. We have pair of straight lines OA and OB. Now we want to find equation of this pair of straight lines. हम pair of straight lines OA and OB का equation निकालना चाहते हैं. We can get this equation by making this equation homogeneous with the help of this equation of straight line, which intersects the curve at 2 points A and B. हम इस इक्वेशन को होमोजीनियस बनाएंगे इस इक्वेशन की हेल्प से. This is not homogeneous equation. We have 3 terms having degree 2, 2 terms having degree 1 and 1 term having degree 0. तो ये इक्वेशन होमोजीनियस नहीं है. अब हम इसको होमोजीनियस बनाएंगे जिसमें हम इस स्ट्रेट लाइन की इक्वेशन का हेल्प लेंगे. बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग तरीका है. हम यहाँ पे 1 की वैल्यू को यूज़ करेंगे. वैल्यू ऑफ 1 तो हम कहीं पे भी कितनी बार भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Now from this equation we get the value of 1 like this. 1 is equal to minus Lx minus My upon n. Okay. Now here we have value of 1 as a linear expression in variables x and y. Now we multiply this value of 1 here as required. Okay. We have 3 terms having degree 2. So we keep these terms intact. इसको हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे, वैसे ही रखेंगे क्योंकि पहले से ही इन टर्म्स का डिग्री जो है वो 2 है. ठीक है. प्लस वी हैव 2 टर्म्स हैविंग डिग्री 1, सो वी मल्टीप्लाई ईच टर्म with 1. Okay, so we have here 2gx plus 2fy multiplied by minus lx minus my upon n. Okay, plus c. Now here we have degree 0. Okay, so to have terms of degree 2 we multiply here with 1 square. Okay, and 1 square is minus Lx minus My upon n whole square. Okay, this is equal to 0. Now this is homogeneous equation. Each term has degree 2. Clearly this equation satisfies origin. Also this equation satisfies coordinates of points A and B. The reason is points A and B lie on this curve and on this straight line. Okay, so this equation will also satisfy coordinates of points A and B. Okay, so here we have equation of pair of straight lines OA and OB, where A and B are points of intersection of this curve and this straight line. We get this equation by making this equation homogeneous with the help of equation of straight line, in which we are using the value of 1. Let's try some questions based on this concept. Okay, let's try this question. Find the angle between the lines joining the origin to the point of intersection of the straight line y is equal to 3x plus 2 with the curve x square plus 2xy plus 3y square plus 4x plus 8y minus 11 is equal to 0. Let's draw the schematic diagram. Here we have a graph of the curve. I am not using the coordinate plane. Okay, हम एक schematic diagram draw कर रहे हैं समझने के लिए. Now we have a straight line y is equal to 3x plus 2 intersecting this curve at points A and B. We have origin somewhere here. We join points A and B with origin. Okay, now we have to find angle between lines OA and OB. कैसे निकालेंगे एंगल? One of the methods is solve this straight line with this curve. Put here y is equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, we will get coordinates of points A and B. Then we can find slopes of line OA and OB, and then we can find angle between lines. Okay, this is the straightforward approach, but we may get into longer calculations. बहुत ही ज़्यादा calculations हो सकती है यहाँ पे. Let's use the concept of homogenization. We can find equation of pair of straight lines OA and OB using the method of homogenization. निकाल सकते हैं ना? क्या करेंगे? We make this equation homogeneous with the help of this equation of straight line. From this equation we get the value of 1. We have 1 is equal to y minus 3x upon 2. Okay. Now we multiply this value of 1 here so that this equation reduces to homogeneous one. क्या करेंगे? We keep first 3 terms which are second degree terms intact. इसको वैसे ही रखेंगे. We multiply 4x plus 8y with 1. 1 is y minus 3x upon 2, and then we multiply minus 11 with 1 square, which is y minus 3x upon 2 whole square. This is equal to 0. Now we simplify this equation. We get this equation 7x square minus 2xy minus y square is equal to 0. अब चेक करना सिंप्लीफाई करके आपको ये इक्वेशन मिलेगा. This is a homogeneous equation which represents pair of straight lines OA and OB. Now we want to find angle between these lines. Suppose angle is theta, then we have a formula tan theta is equal to 2 multiplied by root h square minus AB upon modulus of A plus B. Okay. Now here value of A is 7, value of B is minus 1, and value of H is minus 1. 2H is minus 2, so H is minus 1. So putting these values here in this formula, we get tan theta is equal to 2 multiplied by square root of 1 plus 7 upon modulus of 7 minus 1. We have 4 root 2 upon 6. So we get finally here 2 root 2 upon 3. Okay. So angle theta is tan inverse of 2 root 2 upon 3. ठीक है ना? हमें lines ON OB के बीच का angle मिल गया. Here we are using the concept of homogenization, okay, and then we have this formula for angle between pair of straight lines. बड़े ही structural way में question solve हो रहा है. Let's try one more question. Okay, let's solve this one. Prove that straight lines joining the origin to the points of intersection of straight line hx plus ky is equal to 2hk, and the curve x minus k whole square plus y minus h whole square is equal to c square are at right angle if h square plus k square is equal to 0. Let's first draw the schematic diagram. We have here a second degree curve. This is conic section. In fact, this is a सर्कल. हम सर्कल चैप्टर में देखेंगे कि क्यों ये सर्कल का इक्वेशन है. सो वी ड्रॉ दिस सर्कल, और यू कैन ड्रॉ सम कर्व. ओके. नाउ वी हैव दिस स्ट्रेट लाइन intersecting this circle at points A and B. Now we join these points with origin. Okay. Now here angle between lines OA and OB is 90 degree. This is given. These lines are at right angle. Then we have to prove this condition h square plus k square is equal to c square. Solution is straightforward. What do? We find the equation of pair of straight lines OA and OB using the method or concept of homogenization. Then we use the condition for pair of straight lines to be perpendicular. If two component lines of pair of straight lines are perpendicular, then we have condition that sum of coefficients of x square and y square is equal to 0. हम pair of straight lines OA and OB का इक्वेशन निकालेंगे और फिर कंडीशन यूज़ करेंगे कि अगर ये दो लाइंस परपेंडिकुलर है तो x स्क्वायर एंड y स्क्वायर के कोफिशिएंट्स का सम 0 होगा. तो इस इक्वेशन को होमोजीनियस बनाते हैं. वी हैव इक्वेशन x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर प्लस minus 2kx minus 2hy, okay, plus k square plus h square minus c square is equal to 0. Okay. Now from the equation of straight line we get the value of 1. 1 is equal to hx plus ky upon 2hk. 1 की वैल्यू निकालना भी यहाँ पे एक कॉन्सेप्ट है. We have to get the value of 1 as a linear expression in x and y. Only then we can do homogenization. So we make this equation homogeneous. We have x square plus y square minus 2kx minus 2hy. Here we multiply by 1. So we have hx plus ky upon 2hk, okay, plus k square plus h square minus c square. Here we multiply by 1 square. So we have hx plus ky upon 2hk whole square. This is equal to 0. Now this is homogeneous equation in variables x and y, which represents a pair of straight lines O and OB. These two straight lines are perpendicular, then condition is sum of coefficients of x square and y square is 0. Now what will be coefficient of x square? From here we have 1 minus 2hk upon minus 2hk minus 1 plus we have here k square plus h square minus c square multiply by 1 upon 4k square. Okay, this plus coefficient of y square, we have 1 minus 1 from here, and from here we have k square plus h square minus c square multiply by 1 upon 4 h square. This sum must be 0. Okay, here from this we get k square plus h square minus c square multiply by h square plus k square is equal to 0. ठीक है ना. अब चेक करो, ये आएगा, ये जो एक्सप्रेशन है वो कॉमन आएगा. ठीक है, फिर एलसीएम लेंगे तो हमें यहाँ पे एच स्क्वायर प्लस के स्क्वायर मिलेगा, सामने 0 है. ठीक है, नाउ सर्टेनली दिस कैन नॉट बी 0, सो वी हैव एच स्क्वायर प्लस के स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू सी स्क्वायर. कंडीशन आ गया. अगर लाइंस ओ एन ओ बी परपेंडिकुलर है तो एच स्क्वायर प्लस के स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर होगा. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है होमोजेनाइजेशन के कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर. वी विल हैव मैनी मोर क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, बट लेटर व्हेन विल बी डूइंग अदर कोनिक सेक्शंस, सर्कल, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Hope you like this video. Cengage India has launched the new edition of our JEE Advanced Maths books. Please visit www.cengage.co.in to buy a copy. You can also buy the books from Amazon and Flipkart.